You know what? I think now that's a good point to add a print messenger to our engine really quickly. It's gonna be very bad one at first, but just so we can really like print their speed, things like that. So I'm going to do in a breakout code. I'm going to do a let's call it console.c, and I'm going to have, for now, all I'm going to print is integers, just to make it simple, like message. I'm going to have like 64, say 32 integers, and let's do print int, takes an int, and we have like current message. Okay, print int, let's call that number. Internal void. We could also take a color, but yeah, I'm going to take a color. So this guy is going to be a struct message. For now, it's going to be int. Let's call that val for value, and then a color. We should also add like a life. Or well, not so worried about life for now. Okay, so this is message. I have 32 messages and the current message. And when we print, we're going to do like message is messages plus current message plus plus. If current message is greater or equal than array count messages, current message equals 0, so it's a circular buffer, and we're going to do message val equals number, message color equals color. Then we're going to do render, let's call that draw messages for int I equals 0, int I less than array count messages I plus plus. We're going to do message equals messages plus I if message, well, we don't have well, whatever. Let's just print everything for now. Message draw number message val, right? Size. Let's see the draw number call. No, the position is going to be, let's call it P. So P equals, let's say, minus arena half size X and minus arena half size Y. So we're going to do like a mul v2 for arena half size and minus 1. Okay. So we have the position, and for every guy, we're going to like increase that. The size is 2.5, so let's increase that by, I don't know, 3. And we can also do like 2.5. And the color will be message color. Okay, let's see if we got a bunch of these. Oh, we have to include that, call that. Oh, that's okay. Getting ahead of myself here. So let's do that in the Windows platform layer. So software rendering now, we're going to include console.c. In the game, we are going to draw messages. And you know what? This is going to be for development only. Else, and if I'm going to create like a few macros, just so the code compiler. So draw messages. Okay. and print int. Okay. Arena have size undefined identifier. I think I'm gonna hard code that. Let's do it like minus 40 minus 16 minus 40. Yeah, let's see. Okay, got a bunch of zeros. Okay, well, this is kind of ugly, but we just want to have. We're going to improve on that a lot. But for now, we're going to test Morpheus idea and check if they do have the same speed. So now we have this game mode. Oh, let me. Dude, that print system was so bad. That was like a really random thing. Let's now finish it. Timer, at least a little bit. So when we set the print, we set the message timer. Let's do 2 seconds. Let's take out the color. And then if the message timer is more than 0, we do that, and we do the message timer minus equals dt. Have to get the dt from here. Okay, then we draw the message. Let's do them all. Let's do white. Color. No need to pass a color now. All we need is a timer. So print int dt. Okay. Okay, this looks reasonable. But now, instead of printing like this, let's print, I don't know, we have like, what inputs do we have? We have left, right. Let's do like, let's do if pressed button up, we print int, say 10 for some reason. Okay. Ten. Okay, it kind of works, but we are printing all of them, which is bad. If the message is greater than, oh, what did I do? If it's less than or equal to 0, continue. Just type if, didn't do anything. Okay, so we got nothing, which is good. Now press up, we got 10. Okay, pretty cool. Now let's do a like a static count 0 count plus. Okay, so I think I'm just going to print the other way around. I'm going to start like 40 and do like -3. Okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, now I have a proper print system. I'm going to put that a little bit more on the side. -70. More -9. Well, let's see what the arena have size is. How's the arena have? 85, so yeah, 90 should be good. Okay, so we have a print system, but a very simple one. We're going to improve on that as time goes by, but now we can print stuff, and that'll make it so much easier to debug.